Hello friends! Today, we are going to talk about your kidneys. Your kidneys are very important. They help clean your blood. They work very hard. We should take care of them. Just like we clean our homes, our kidneys need cleaning too. Sometimes, we eat unhealthy food. This makes our kidneys work harder. But don't worry, nature has a gift for us, Ash Gourd. Kidneys filter waste and excess fluids from your blood, producing urine. They also help balance your body's fluids and electrolytes. Common issues include kidney stones, infections, and chronic kidney disease. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can support kidney function. And that's where Ash Gourd comes in. You might know Ash Gourd by a different name. It is also called winter melon or white pumpkin. It looks big and green on the outside. Inside it is white and has many seeds. Don't let its simple look fool you. This gourd is full of goodness. It has a mild taste. You can add it to many dishes. Historically, Ash Gourd has been used in traditional medicine for its cooling properties and to treat various ailments. Nutritionally, it is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C. Ash Gourd has lots of water. This is good for our bodies. Water helps to flush out toxins. Toxins are bad for our kidneys. Ash Gourd also has special properties. These properties help to clean our kidneys. They remove harmful substances from our blood. This keeps our kidneys healthy. Hydration also improves skin health. It boosts energy levels and overall vitality. Drinking Ash Gourd juice regularly can enhance these benefits. It also promotes mental clarity and relaxation. Ash Gourd aids in digestion and supports a healthy gut. Overall, it strengthens the immune system and enhances well-being. Ash Gourd is very good for our kidneys. It can help prevent kidney stones. Kidney stones are painful. Ash Gourd can also reduce swelling in the kidneys. It acts like a natural diuretic. This means it helps us urinate more. When we urinate, we remove toxins. This helps our kidneys stay clean. Ash Gourd is rich in water content, which helps in maintaining hydration and flushing out toxins. Regular consumption of Ash Gourd can support overall kidney health and prevent kidney diseases. Including Ash Gourd in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to keep your kidneys healthy and functioning well. Ash Gourd has very few calories. This means we can eat it without gaining weight. It can help us feel full. This can stop us from overeating. When we manage our weight, we help our kidneys. Our kidneys have to work less when we are healthy. Try adding Ash Gourd to your smoothies for a refreshing, low-calorie drink. You can also include it in stir-fries for a nutritious meal. Pair Ash Gourd with other low-calorie vegetables to maximize its benefits. Don't forget to stay hydrated, as water helps in weight management too. Combine a balanced diet with regular exercise for the best results. You can enjoy Ash Gourd in many ways. One easy way is to make juice. Take a small Ash Gourd, peel it and remove the seeds. Chop it into small pieces. Put the pieces in a blender, add a little water. Blend until smooth. You can add a squeeze of lemon for taste. This juice is refreshing and healthy. Another great recipe is Ash Gourd soup. Add chopped Ash Gourd to a pot with your favorite spices. Cook until soft, then blend until smooth. You can also make a refreshing Ash Gourd salad. Mix chopped Ash Gourd with your favorite salad ingredients and dressing. For a nutritious smoothie, blend Ash Gourd with fruits and yogurt. Enjoy these delicious and healthy Ash Gourd recipes. Ash Gourd is good for us, but too much of anything is not good, even if it is natural. Listen to your body. If you have any kidney problems, talk to your doctor. They will tell you how much to eat. It is always good to be careful. Pay attention to how your body reacts. Notice any changes in your energy levels or digestion. Keep a journal to track your body's signals. Moderation helps you enjoy the benefits without overdoing it. Listen to your body. Your body talks to you. It tells you what it needs. Pay attention to how you feel. If you feel good after eating Ash Gourd, that's great. If you feel any discomfort, stop eating it. Talk to your doctor. They can help you understand your body better. Look for signs like changes in urine color, swelling, or fatigue. Stay hydrated, eat balanced meals, and exercise regularly. Keep a health journal to track any symptoms and discuss them with your healthcare provider. Regular checkups can help catch issues early and keep your kidneys healthy. Adding Ash Gourd to your diet is a good habit. It's like giving your kidneys a little hug. Do it regularly. Your kidneys will thank you. Remember, a healthy life needs balance. Eat healthy, exercise, and stay happy. Your health is your biggest wealth. Regular exercise keeps your body strong. A balanced diet fuels your body with the right nutrients. Manage stress through mindfulness and relaxation. Surround yourself with positivity and joy. Embrace these habits for a healthier, happier life. Let's hear from some people who have experienced the benefits of including Ash Gourd in their diet. Testimonial 1. Hi, I'm Ramesh from Bangalore. Incorporating Ash Gourd juice into my daily routine has been a game changer. I feel more energetic and my digestion has improved significantly. Testimonial 2. Hello, I'm Priya from Mumbai. After adding Ash Gourd to my diet, I've noticed a reduction in my water retention issues. My skin looks clearer and I feel lighter. Testimonial 3. Namaste, I'm Anjali from Delhi. Ash Gourd has helped me manage my weight effectively. It's a simple addition to my diet, but the results have been profound. These testimonials show how Ash Gourd can make a positive impact on your health. Real people, real results. Why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself? Remember, every small step towards a healthier lifestyle counts. Embrace the power of Ash Gourd and take the journey to a healthier you. Ash Gourd is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's rich in vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Its high water content makes it excellent for hydration and detoxification. Ash Gourd is particularly beneficial for those looking to manage their weight. Its low-calorie content and high fiber help in keeping you full for longer, thereby reducing unnecessary snacking. From a kidney health perspective, Ash Gourd is a great addition to your diet. Its diuretic properties help in flushing out toxins and maintaining optimal kidney function. These expert opinions reinforce the remarkable benefits of Ash Gourd. Whether you're looking to improve your hydration, support kidney health, or manage your weight, Ash Gourd can be a valuable ally. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet. Question 1. Can Ash Gourd be consumed daily? Answer: yes. Ash Gourd can be consumed daily in moderate amounts. It is low in calories and rich in water content, making it an excellent choice for daily hydration and detoxification. Question 2. Are there any side effects of consuming Ash Gourd? Answer: generally, Ash Gourd is safe for most people. However, consuming it in excessive amounts may lead to stomach discomfort or bloating. It is always advisable to start with small quantities and observe how your body reacts. Question 3. How does Ash Gourd help in kidney health? Answer: Ash Gourd has diuretic properties, which means it helps in increasing urine production. This can aid in flushing out toxins and maintaining optimal kidney function. However, it should not replace medical treatments for kidney issues. Question 4. Can people with kidney stones consume Ash Gourd? Answer: yes, people with kidney stones can consume Ash Gourd, as its diuretic properties may help in flushing out small stones. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Question 5. Is Ash Gourd beneficial for diabetic patients? Answer: Ash Gourd has a low glycemic index, making it a good option for diabetic patients. It helps in controlling blood sugar levels. Nevertheless, always consult your doctor before making any dietary changes. We hope these answers help clear up some of your queries about Ash Gourd and its benefits. Remember, while Ash Gourd is a healthy addition to your diet, it's essential to listen to your body and consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Thank you for watching our video on the benefits of Ash Gourd. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and information.